It's true. Growing up in LA when I was like 13, I was real close with Diddy's younger son. I told y'all what I seen and what happened to me at Diddy house, and y'all finally finna see what the really been going on. His lawyer that he's done paid millions of dollars to fight his case has withdrawn from fighting the case. You wanna know why he's withdrawing from fighting the case?
On Friday, a surprising announcement came down. One of his defense attorneys suddenly quits the case. I'm Elizabeth Milner with Law and Crime. Now, this particular defense attorney's reason for quitting wasn't really a reason at all, making his departure a lot more puzzling.
Shortly after Diddy's arrest, his defense team grew when he stacked on 2 more defense attorneys to join Mark Agnifilo and Tinny Garagos at the defense table.
Whoa, did one of Diddy's lawyers, Anthony Ricco, just pull a Houdini on him with the trial looming? What kind of lawyer ghosts their client like that? This is seriously raising eyebrows. And the big question on everyone's mind is, why would Diddy's lawyer suddenly abandon him at the last minute? It just doesn't add up. Some might think Ricco wasn't up to the task, but that's not the case. This guy is a seasoned pro, not some rookie attorney in over his head. He has handled cases far more intense than celebrity scandals, real, hardened criminals. In fact, he was part of the legal defense for Osama bin Laden's associates. That's right. Back in 2001, Ricco argued that bin Laden shouldn't be prosecuted as he couldn't properly defend himself since he wasn't in the US at the time. He also defended Mohammed Odeh, who was convicted of plotting bomb attacks on US embassies in Kenya and Tanzania. Thanks to Ricco's defense, Odeh avoided the death penalty and received a life sentence instead. Now, let's be real, if Ricco could pull off that kind of legal maneuvering, you'd think Diddy's case would be a walk in the park for him, right? So, what changed? Have you heard the rumors about Diddy's sons adding to the drama? It's hard to ignore. Justin Combs, for example, has been making headlines for throwing wild parties while his father faces serious legal trouble. Reports claim that Justin would promise small gatherings but instead throw massive parties that left rental homes in ruins. He'd say, "I'm having 20 people over," but 200 would show up, leaving destruction in their wake. Sound familiar? Like father, like son. Then there's Christian Combs. After Cassie's lawsuit against Diddy in November 2023, Christian was hit with a sexual assault lawsuit in April 2024. According to reports, Grace O'Mara accused Christian of forcing her to drink tequila while she was working as a steward on a yacht in December 2022. She alleged that after she took the drink, Christian's mood changed, and things turned sinister. He reportedly grabbed her forcefully, prevented her from leaving, and groped her. She even suspected the tequila had been spiked. As if that wasn't enough, after Diddy's arrest, Rodney Diggs, the lawyer representing Christian's accuser, issued a statement saying, "The long-awaited federal arrest of Sean Combs is the first step for our clients receiving justice. We anticipate more victims coming forward." That statement alone suggests that things are only going to get worse for the Combs family. So, could it be that Ricco ditched Diddy because of the mounting chaos surrounding his sons? Honestly, the reports are disturbing, and it seems like Diddy's sons aren't making things any easier for their father. There's an old saying, "Help yourself, and others will help you." But in this case, Diddy's sons might have made things worse. Ricco, for his part, has spoken sort of. In court, he stated, "Although I have provided Sean Combs with a high level of legal representation expected by the court, under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs. There are sufficient reasons related to the protections afforded by client privilege for brevity in my application for withdrawal as counsel in this case." Translation: He's not spilling the reasons behind his sudden exit, not because he's loyal to Diddy, but allegedly because saying anything could harm Diddy's case. That silence speaks volumes. No wonder people are connecting the dots to the serious allegations swirling around Diddy's arrest, including the troubling claims about his sons. And here's where it gets even crazier. Someone claiming to be a friend of Diddy's son just dropped a video sharing their take on why Ricco suddenly withdrew. You have to hear this.
I told y'all what I seen and what happened to me at Diddy house, and y'all finally finna see what the really been going on. His lawyer that he's done paid millions of dollars to fight his case has withdrawn from fighting the case. You want to know why he's withdrawing from fighting the case? Because he just got the court papers in, the discovery, everything that's been going on in that house that they know of. This lawyer seen that and instantly said he can't do this no more. This man don't even want to be guilty by association. He don't even want to fight what it was that he's seeing in them papers.
Has Ricco withdrawn from this case because he believes Diddy will be fine with or without him? Or has he realized that the allegations might actually be true? Earlier, we discussed Ricco's competence, and now a user pointed out that this lawyer has defended some of the worst, not just for money, but because it's his job. Another user even compared the situation to if he had represented Bin Laden but then saw the Diddy files and decided to back out. Do you think the ongoing allegations, including those involving Diddy's sons while he's in prison, played a role in the lawyer's decision to step away? Share your thoughts in the comments below.